CP Plus digital video recorder. CP Plus camera.
Mouse adapter, power cable, HDMI cable, VJ cable,
Audio pin, video pin, audio out,
power cable, USB recording,
USB recording, VGA, LAN cable, HDMI cable. Model number, made in India. HD video recorder, DVR without hard disk. Screw inside. Camera setup. Internet setting with Geo 4G router, all GSM network support. Compatible camera. CP Plus quick start guide. Important safeguard and warning. Note, all the installation and operation here should conform to your local electrical safety rules. Check unpacked DVR, about front panel and real panel, HDD installation. Loosen the screw of the upper cover and side panel. Fix 4 screw in HDD. Place the HDD in accordance with 4 holes. Turn the device upside down. Screw firmly in the chassis. Fix the HDD firmly. Connect 2 HDD cable and power cable. Put the cover in accordance. Secure screw near panel and the side panel. Loosen the screw of the upper. Fix 4 screw in the HDD box. Place the HDD box in accordance with 4 holes in the bottom. Turn the device upside down and turn the screw in firmly. Fix the HDD firm. Connect the HD cable and power cable. Put the cover in the accordance with the clip and place the upper cover. Secure the screws in the rear panel and side panel. Important note, front panel. Rear panel. Information.